Drop that right shoulder. Let it go. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Right back. Shoes off, cool? Yeah?
Doesn't matter.
I guess.
Jeff?
Yeah. Tom.
I guess so.
Oh, I didn't know you were talking to me.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Yummy.
Check this knee real quick. Flex this foot up. Relax the leg. Send it down. There it is. Beautiful. Yeah, you'll see.
Yeah.
It's subtle because it's the AC joint right here. It's a very small one, but it's muddy. Look the other way. Of course. Hold.
Whew. Damn. Brand new. Brand new. Brand new, yeah.
It is true. You know that expression Red Bull gives you wings? They got that for me. The adjustments make you fly. There we go.